This is tutorial 14 and it covers the Filet Expert within SOLIDWORKS. To start off, open up the Filet tutorial part, which I've included on the DVD. Once that's open, let's click Filet Expert. Now let's choose a face to use the Filet Expert on. Let's choose this face. And the Filet Expert fillets every single line which is related to the face that we chose. Now, just like all the other fillet options, we're able to increase the radius and decrease it. For this one, let's just use 10 millimeters. Click accept. And we filleted all the lines that are related to that face. Now, let's continue this fillet all the way around this part. Let's click fillet, the Filet Expert, and let's choose all the other faces. Now we've chose all the other faces around, and let's click accept, and we have filleted all the way around this part. Now we're able to do this with the other part on top too. Click Filet Expert, click all the sides. Now let's change it to 5 millimeters, and every single line that's related to those 4 sides that we chose gets filleted in and out. So let's click accept, and we filleted all the way around on top of that. The Filet Expert's wonderful as you're able to quickly and easily fillet a lot of edges on a part, just that you're not able to be as flexible and as precise as the manual mode. So you'd want to use the manual mode when you want to influence the fillet more, and if you just need speed, you can use the Filet Expert. And this concludes our tutorial on the Filet Expert.